Hey everybody, welcome to the Pafford's kitchen. Today we are going to be making a pecan pie, but it's a special pecan pie because this pecan pie
Guess who's moving in? The helper showed up. Go ahead.
This pecan pie is made without sugar, without corn syrup. We are actually, and this is not a paid video. This is something that we wanted to try out and do. So, Bacha, however you want to say it,
Bacha.
however you say it, is the brand that we are going to be using. So, what you need for this recipe, a half a cup of their brown sugar or sweet, and a half a cup of regular, the granules, a third cup of butter.
3/4 cup.
Oh, I'm sorry, 3/4 of a cup of butter.
Pecans.
A half of a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs. Yes, honey, pecans. A 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and of course your pie shell. So you want to pre-bake your pie shell. So I'm going to put my pie shell in the oven, preheated at 450 for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to start working on the pie filling itself. Let me get my whisk out.
Thank you.
So with the pie filling, what we are going to start with is the butter. Put that in the pan. We're going to do half a cup of the brown. Stop.
Hey, Mommy, do it.
Half a cup.
Hey, Mommy, do it. I'll pour it.
Pour it in.
Okay.
Good job. And a half a cup
Hey, Mommy, do it.
of regular.
Let's do it together. Hey, I'll do it together. Let's do it.
Okay, pour it in. Thank you. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the stove and get this warming up. So, follow me. So, you're going to heat this on the stove until it's completely a sauce, no granules. But you don't want to have it on high heat.
Caramel color.
Caramel color, yeah, that's what I'm trying to think of. You don't want to have it on high heat because you don't want it to burn. You want to do this slowly. Look at the pretty color that it is. Look at that. So beautiful. And it's not that sweet. So it's going to be good.
Hey, got some more butter.
Okay, so I just got it off the stove and set it over here because it's got to cool for a few minutes. So we're gonna let this cool till it's cool to the touch, and then we'll go to the next stage. Okay, so now as you can see, it has thickened up and it is cool to the touch. So now we can take and start adding the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. I'm going to add my vanilla,
1/2 tablespoon.
1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up.
And some salt.
And now I'm going to do my 3 eggs.
Do you put eggs?
Here's 1.
Hey. Hey. Why not you call me?
2.
Oh my.
That one's pretty. 3.
Mm.
So I've got my 3 eggs, and now I'm going to whisk them up in here.
I'll go this way.
She's gonna throw it away.
Oh,
for
you're going
you.
to throw it away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Throw it away.
I'm sorry.
Don't throw it away.
Thank you.
Throw it away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so it's all mixed up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pie shell.
The pie shell. Let's cut.
And I thought it was all mixed up. Hang on just for a moment. I found some that wasn't mixed. Okay, now it's all mixed. So, I have my pie shell here that I cooked, well, I browned a little while ago. So what I'm going to do,
How long?
oh, for 15 minutes on 400. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the chopped pecans that we did. I'm going to go ahead and put them in here.
Might need to add a little more.
Yeah, probably do. Well, maybe not because this is going to,
Are you done yet?
We can always have them.
yeah. So now
Yeah.
what I'm going to do is pour this in here, our mixture.
Yeah, I'll pour something. I'll put something. Hey, I'll put something. Are you done yet?
Okay, let me mix this up just a little bit.
Looking
Hey, are you
good,
done
honey.
yet?
Yes, it is.
Are you done yet?
Not yet, honey bunny.
Only thing it ain't healthy is just crust.
That's right. So I got about a cup of whole, well, not whole, half pecans here that I'm gonna just spread around the pie. Put them on any way you want.
I'll put
You might
something.
have to add a little bit more than a cup, depending on the size of pie that you do.
Let's try this one.
No. No. Too late. It says, no, not today. Well, I guess I don't have to add more. I figured I would. But I don't.
Stop your pies.
Yeah, it's a pecan pie.
I'll put pecan pie. Hey,
Well, it's got to cook, honey.
Hey, I'll put something.
We already did the salt, honey.
What's he gonna do?
We got to cook it now.
We got to cook it. So I have my oven right now at 325 degrees.
Hey, what about this? Do you need this?
No, honey, I don't need that. And I am gonna cook it on 325 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. There. Let me
Good.
put it on my pan.
In case if it overflows.
Yes. So,
Say hi.
Bye!
so we're gonna put this in the oven and cook it for about 45 to 50 minutes.
Oh, man!
Stay back, Autumn.
It's
Back.
hot.
Hot.
I sit here.
And there we go. Set my timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes. 4 minutes.
So we're gonna see how this turns out. We will be right back. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes. Let's check on this pie. If it's still a little jiggly in the middle, that's okay because that's the way you want it. So, oh, look at this. Oh my goodness.
Yummy.
Wow. Got a little bit of jiggle in the middle, so I guess that's good. We're gonna take and put it over here.
It cools off.
And we're gonna let it cool off for about an hour. You don't wanna cut into it for at least an hour. So, oh my goodness, and it smells so good too.
I can smell it.
Oh my mouth is watering. So,
I can smell it.
we will see you in an hour.
I can smell it. I can smell it. I love pecan pie.
You love pecan pie? So, this has been cooling for a little over an hour, and it's cooled off. So now, we're going to cut into it. And like they say, the first piece is always the massacre.
Keep your hands out of what?
Yummy. It's gonna be yummy.
It's gonna be yummy.
Hey, come on my plate. No, this is mine. And mine. Oh, it's my turn.
Autumn, I don't know if you're gonna eat this or not. We'll see.
I sure vanilla.
Okay.
Yes. Mine.
I don't trying to eat her pie. Okay.
There we go.
Let's
let's
try
try it
this
out.
sugar-free pie out.
Hey. That's my pie.
Maybe?
Actually,
I like it.
it has just enough sweetness.
It's not overly sweet.
Mm-hmm. And the pecans, they're not overly done, but they're not a little mushy like some pecan pies are.
Well,
Hey.
The filling,
I forgot I was going to do a sugar test. I'll do that later.
the filling of it
Mine.
has the same texture as a,
Looks like it needs a little bit more filling.
yeah, but it does have the same texture as a regular pecan pie. So,
Yummy.
I would say this turned out really, really good.
Show them this piece.
This is the texture of it.
Not bad for a sugar-free pie.
Yeah, I think the Paffords have a new pecan pie recipe.
Well, I'll have to do the blood sugar test tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. But, taste test. But we will put the link of this sugar or sweetener in the description of the video where we got it from and
Amazon.
everything. Yeah, and they sell all different types of products. We got cake mixes from them. We got brown sugar, powdered sugar, regular sugar. We got cookie mixes. They sell, yeah, they sell a little variety of everything. So if you're a diabetic or you just want to watch your sugar intake, this would be something to test out.
Yeah, worth a try.
Yeah, and
I
it's
like it.
not expensive like you would think for a sugar-free product. Okay, I guess I don't know. I guess I don't know, but
Them two sugars that I
I
had
like
are
it.
$26.
oh, okay. So for 36 ounces of sugar, $36.
Yeah, 32 ounces.
32 ounces of sugar is, yeah, that's a little pricey, but if it's worth it, it's worth it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let us know your sugar-free go-tos. We hope you stay safe, be blessed, have a great and wonderful week. As always, keep on homesteading, everybody.
Keep on homesteading. Bye.
Bye.